Well, welcome back to the AI-powered software development training offered by TechFluency Impact. Once again, my name is Emmanuel Adol, and I will continue guiding you on this exciting journey into the world of AI-driven software development. In the last lesson, we explored how software development evolved from manual coding to the use of AI assistance. A journey that redefined who can build and how fast we can build software generally. It's all about the question of delivering products in quality, robust software product in the shortest possible time to clients. So now in this lesson 2, we'll take it a step further or a step deeper. This lesson is titled Understanding AI in Software Engineering. What is the role? What are the core concepts of AI in software development? You need to understand the concept that makes AI possible, the use of AI possible. It's not just text generation, but building software, robust software. So let's get started. When you hear the word AI, I want to ask, what comes to your mind? Robots? Is it automation? Is it ChatGPT, or as most of you think, or tools that do everything for you? Well, that's part of it. But in software development, AI goes far beyond that. AI is not just about automation. AI is about augmentation. It doesn't replace developers. AI actually empowers software developer. AI makes software developer to be able to do what they are supposed to do in a better way, in a more proficient way. At its very core, artificial intelligence refers to machines or systems that can learn, that can reason, and make intelligent decisions, almost like human beings, almost like you and I. Then in software development, AI systems are trained to understand natural language prompts. They are trained to understand the language we speak, our day-to-day language. That is what you type to the AI or what you say to the AI. And generating working code automatically when they receive that prompt. They detect and fix bugs. I told you in the first place that bugs means error in software development. AI optimize performance. AI predicts user behavior. AI assists in development and scaling. In short, AI takes over the repetitive, technical, and time-consuming part of software development. It takes over everything that the software developer should be doing. All right, but I will still show you the part where you have to do things by yourself to get a perfect product. All right, so everything repetitive, everything time-consuming, the AI software does it for you. So you can focus on logic, you can focus on creativity and business outcomes. All right. So I'm going to take you through certain concepts, the core concepts of AI software development that you must understand. All right. To truly appreciate how AI works in development, there are 5 key concepts that we all need to grasp in this class or in this course. The number 1 is machine learning. All right, don't be afraid. I will not go too deep into it, but at least you need to understand what it means. As far as AI software development is concerned, you cannot separate machine learning from it. Machine learning is the brain behind most AI systems. Machine learning allows computers to learn from data, just like humans learn from experience. For example, a platform like Cursor or Lovable learn from millions of coding patterns to suggest or to generate better solutions. All right. Number two concept is natural language processing, NLP. Natural language processing, NLP. This is the concept that allows you and I to talk to our AI tools in plain English. We just go to ChatGPT, write me a research on so topic, and before you know it, gives you an answer. So when you say build me a landing page with login and payment integration, NLP, that is natural language processing, converts that request into structured code. All right? Build me an e-commerce store with a hero slider, a category this, a vertical category, and this and that and that. It is converted to structured code through what we call NLP, natural language processing. Number three, code generation models. These are specialized AI trained specifically on programming languages. They understand syntax, they understand logic, they understand design and design patterns, allowing them to generate production-ready code from instructions. Number four, context awareness. We are not just talking about prompting, we are not we have evolved into context engineering. So the fourth concept we are looking at is context awareness. Modern AI tools don't just generate code blindly. They understand your project's context. They understand the files, the dependencies, the functions, and they make decisions based on it. That is, context could mean background information. This is why tools like Cursor or Replit feels like real coding partners, because they must have some understanding of what you are trying to build. And they want to supply that context to them, which you will learn shortly. All right. Number five, continuous learning and feedback loops. This is very important. Continuous learning and feedback loops. The more you use AI tools, the better they become at assisting you. I take that again. The more you use AI tools, the better they become at assisting you. They learn your style, your preferred stack, your preferred tech stack, your programming languages, and even your typical naming conventions, how you name your variables. You may not understand that for now. In other words, the AI actually grows with you. The real power of AI is software engineering. AI isn't just another tech trend. I want you to know that. AI is a shift in how software is conceived, written, and shipped to production. So before AI, you needed deep programming knowledge to build something great. I've said that before. Now you just need an idea and the ability to describe it clearly. I will show you a tool that helps you to describe your idea clearly as we progress in this course. So AI tools take your vision, translate it into reality through intelligent automation. They can build the backend, the databases, they can structure your front end, can generate UI, that is user interface, what users will see and interact with. It can generate all kinds of UI components. It can connect APIs. APIs means application program interface. That is a system or interface that makes two applications to talk to each other, and can even handle deployment. So it's like having a 24/7 senior developer who never sleeps. He never gets tired. They're always good, clean. And what does this mean for you? By the time you finish this training, you won't just know how to use AI tools, you understand how AI thinks, how to guide it, and how to use it to produce world-class software. We are not building software for the roadside, basic tools. No, no, we take our time to churn it out in a way that it can stand shoulder to shoulder with software that are built in India. I can tell you one of my biggest clients is in the UK, came all the way to Nigeria to build software. So you'll be able to use AI to create web applications, mobile applications, that is Android and iOS, faster than traditional coders. You're able to debug and deploy code efficiently. You deploy to cPanel for those of us that are already familiar with it. Those that are not familiar with the terms I'm using right now, as we progress, I will explain them to you bit by bit. No step skipped. That is my slogan. No step skipped. So now, AI will also help you to manage multiple projects without burnout. AI will build solutions that will normally take teams of engineers or software engineers in a fraction of time. You build it in a fraction of time. So in this new age of AI-driven development, your creativity becomes your most valuable asset. You think creatively if you want to succeed with AI. You don't need to memorize thousands of code lines anymore. So that space will now be converted and used for intelligent reasoning. You need to think logically. You start thinking like a solutionist, someone that is always ready to solve problems. They are not running away from any problem. So you need to know what to build. You need to know why it matters. You need to know how to guide the AI to do it right. All right? So those 5 concepts that we have discussed, please take note of it. I'm sure you'll be writing down something that's very important. This is the only module that we are going to be talking and talking and talking. After module 1, we are diving into building. So in the next lesson, we'll explore the what to do, what to expect in this course. We'll also talk about overview of no code and low code and AI tools. We're going to talk about understanding different development approaches. These approaches have been there, but AI has taken over from no code to low code and AI tools. You also know that you're not just learning to code. That's the truth. You're learning to command AI to build ideas into reality. See you in the next lesson. That is lesson 3.